If your roast chicken is always dry, here's what you're doing wrong. The secret is keeping it simple and letting a few fresh ingredients do all the work. Start with some fresh parsley. Add softened unsalted butter, a drizzle of olive oil, fresh lemon, garlic. Season generously with salt and black pepper. Then mix everything together into a flavorful herb butter. Now grab your whole chicken and rub the butter all over, making sure to get underneath the skin too. That's where all the flavor and moisture come from. Stuff the garlic head into the chicken cavity along with the rosemary sprigs and the squeezed lemon halves. Roast for 1 hour and 15 to 20 minutes, or until the skin is beautifully golden and crisp and the chicken is cooked through. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before carving. Slice, serve, and enjoy one of the juiciest roast chickens you'll ever make. And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes every week.